Hey guys, how you all doing? So we're in June 2026. I just want to tell you or just inform you of sort of like the best or my favorite movie video add-ons right now. So meaning that if I was to make a build, these are the ones I'll definitely include. So this is Debrid. I'm gonna have to make a video for non-Debrid. Also, I know I do ramble. All right, and also I'm going to mention some video add-on some names, but it ain't for me to give you the URL. And I know people don't like that. I don't give out URLs on here, but unless I get permission from whoever owns the build or the add-on, I'm not going to do it. It's easy for you to go and find it, do a Google search. You've got other websites that like to try and sell you VPNs and stuff. They like to promote add-ons. You can get the URL there, or you can contact me privately. I've got a whole list of URLs that I could just send you. All right, so I'm just going to state it. That's that. So what have we got? Umbrella. You know, many people will say that you only need to have one movie add-on, which is kind of true. Umbrella to me is the best one. It's the GOAT. It's been there. It had a name change. What it used to be called Venom. And before that, it was like a normal sort of like Exodus, sort of Fork of Exodus add-on. But to me, right now, and I think it's improving, hasn't it? I think it's a lot faster now. It's faster. I remember hearing the dev for Umbrella just say he looks to see what POV does and vice versa. Always updates. Just love the icons. The icons that come at the bottom with the searches. I just love that. So if I was to make a build, that would be the first one on there. All right, it's a scraper add-on. Guys, if you got any add-ons that you want to tell me that you use, you think are really great, you recommend people to use, just put it in the comments. I mean, there's others out there. I did mention POV. There's a new one called Red Light. You got Gears, but those ones are like forks of Fen, the Fen add-on. There is another one that's a fork of Umbrella. It's called LUC. I've not tested it, so I don't know. But that's a new one. And also the second add-on, it's got to be Chains. All right, Chains is old school, been there, and I'm only talking about the one-click section from Chains. And you know, to be honest, you don't need a one-click section, but it gives you ideas of what's, you know, sort of gives you an idea what's out, what's there to see, and it's really nice to have like as a widget new releases, you know, because it's always sort of populating the new releases, films, TV shows that are released daily. I think that's really good. So I mean, basically, you can just have those two. However, there's a couple more. How do you say it? Cosmos? That is a new one. One click as well. The unique thing about this one is that it's like, you know, the old Maverick, the old I can't remember the other name of it. It's been years. And you got Magic Dragon. You know, when you click on something and it'll give you like at least 2 to 4 links. It'll give you like different resolutions, like 720, and it might say Debrid, and it says non-Debrid, and then it says, I don't know, 1080 Debrid, and it says 4K Debrid. That's what you get with Cosmos. So that is excellent. It's a new add-on, isn't it? Yeah, it's a new add-on. So that is one that I would include as well. But it depends on the size of the build. If you just want a simple build, Debrid build, and just put Umbrella and Chains. But yeah, definitely Cosmos, because he does do new releases as well, collections, even takes requests. And there's one more. It's weird. A lot of people don't know about this add-on, but it's like, to me, it's the best one out there. Not in terms of you know, as being polished as umbrella, but this one is like the original. It's like a fork of Exodus. It's called Black Lodge. So people's, looking at websites in Exodus and they're trying to install it. Of course, they won't install because it's dead long gone. But this one seems to be, like a fork of it, and it works with non-Debrid users, and it works for Debrid users. All right, so it's a scraper add-on. I've been using it since, I don't know, beginning of this year. And that's all I'm going to say about that. All right, then, guys, so just you can list me whatever ones you would recommend for people to use. This is for Debrid. All right. And I'll try and make a video for the non-Debrid video add-ons soon.